Big breaking news that's coming in this morning and possibly could give hope to many in not just India but globally as well. BHARAT, BIOTECH and ICMR could launch the vaccine that's termed as COVAXIN by 15th August for the public. ICMR envisages to launch the vaccine by 15th August after completion of clinical trials. ICMR is now fast-tracking the process, writing to all stakeholders to treat this as top priority. In the hunt for a vaccine, could this be a major breakthrough, considering that there are several companies who are trying to really ensure that we put out a vaccine as soon as possible? Is BHARAT Biotech going to be actually putting out their vaccine by August? That will be in just over a month from now. We understand that ICMR is giving this top priority. They've made this their top focus and have told all stakeholders to focus on ensuring that this vaccine is ready by August 15th. Milind Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Milind, this is very, very hopeful news indeed. And going by these developments and the fact that the ICMR is so keenly tracking all that's happening, it definitely looks like things are moving in the right track.
Well, absolutely, because not just the ICMR, the vaccine trials are being tracked on top priority at the topmost level of the government of India, because that seems to be the top priority at this point of time. And remember that BHARAT Biotech was recently given an approval to move into human trials. So in a letter written by the ICMR, they have said that the subject enrollment should be initiated by 7 July. And if all goes well, we could have an indigenously developed vaccine in India by 15th of August. And that is the expectation, provided that all the clinical trial processes and procedures are completed in time. And that's a big rider, because by 15th August, if one wants to launch the vaccine, it has to be tested for a lot of protocols. First of all, it has to be tested for safety within use for humans, and that remains the top priority for stakeholders. In the letter that has been written, the ICMR has also written that NIB Pune, along with doctors at AIIMS and all big stakeholders, are currently working on nothing else but bringing out a vaccine for public usage as soon as possible. But the rider here, Akshita, provided all the clinical trials processed as per the protocols laid down, everything goes well.
So there's, going to be a lot of hope with this news. But as you pointed out, Milind, we have to keep our fingers crossed for all the clinical trials to go on track. Only then can we actually see COVAXIN being released, as ICMR is in fact hoping that it can go out by August 15th.